Stevie, show Mommy the baddest dinosaur ever.
What does that dinosaur do? Does
Can I
it
see?
attack?
Can I see?
Does it attack?
I want to
You better be a dinosaur and fight back.
Go after his leg! Go after his leg! That's how you get him! Get his leg! Yeah! No, grab it! Grab it!
Steve, where's the dinosaur? No, you be it. Here, show Sage.
Like, whatever. You're still Phoebe. Okay, that's too loud.